That's why welcome back to Straight Report on Alpha 106.5 FM. I am Martin Ifanshku Gregory as number the first. As a journalist, I've been fortunate enough to work on the documentary of the 113th Ovala of Aguleri. Aguleri calls it Ovala, not Ofala. You know, in the process of the research, we learned a lot about what is supposed to be the history of the Igbo people. And the process we learned that the Nri people have always played the role of spirituality or for the people of Igbo, like for the Igbo people. That is the role of priesthood, or the role or the spiritual relevance of Igbo people really lies on the Nri people. We're told that they are always the ones, like, you know, that is, they are the ones that does the spiritual cleansing in Igbo land. Is it still like that today? The question is, even if it is still like that, you know, if you have lived through the 60s, 70s till now, you will agree with me when I say strange happenings is now a normal thing. You know, the amount of sacrilege is nothing to write home about, or even to email, SMS, or call home about, you know. We have heard stories of men who convert their daughters to wives. And we are told not to talk. People are taking advantages of our communities, and we are told not to talk. They will prevent you from having access to shelter. Even if you have one, they'll have power to get you out any day, you know. They will like do us, take advantage of our system, you know, and we are told not to talk. Like, some of the things going on with our parks, our society have turned to a place where you go to watch live action movies, you know. I remember giving a report here on some of the happenings, you know, recently at Ozobo, where members of vigilante group were attacked.